Now I'm finished with the pineapple because I'm going to add this to this, boil them to make a separate container of pineapple juice. So these two will be boiled together. I've added the pineapple skin and the fiber from the pineapple that was extracted. Now I'm going to add some couple pieces of bay leaf and some allspice. I'll let that boil for about 30 minutes. The aroma from the pineapple combined with the spices are amazing. Now I'm going to set it aside to cool. I'm extracting the juice the same way I did from the pineapple. You can use whatever method you like. This pulp will go back into the garden to be used as compost.